Hello guys, in this video we will answer this question which is displayed on the screen. Part 4 substitution cipher. So first we will start by answering part A of the question, right? So a plain text was encrypted with a Caesar cipher resulting in the following. So this is our encrypted text, right? So work out what the plain text is. Hint, note that there are several occurrences of O appearing within the enciphered words. This must correspond to a double letter in the plain text. Only some letters in English can be doubled up, so you can try some guesses. Okay. So since it was a Caesar cipher, right? We can use brute force method in this to know what the plain text is, right? So we will start with the brute force. So brute force is trying out every possible combinations. So in this case, since it is a Caesar cipher, it would have used shift keys. So we will try every shift key and see what we get as our results. So we will try the shift keys from 1 to 25, right? And we will try to decrypt what the text is, right? So we will start by solving this through brute force. Okay, so let's start. So this is our encrypted text using brute force. We are going to decrypt it. So we will try every possible shift key to decrypt it to get the meaningful text out of it, right? So first shift key is equal to 1. So you can see that the first letter is D, right? So when we are decrypting it, we are moving towards the left in the English alphabets or moving towards the back. So at shift key is equal to 1, when we are moving D towards the left once because the shift key is 1. So moving it, so D will be shifted once. So now D will be converted to C, right? So that's how we shift it. So D has changed to C. Now O and O has changed to N, right? And likewise for other alphabets. Now we will try for shift key is equal to 2, right? So C, you go, sorry, D, right? We are decrypting this. So D, we will shift once and then again, right? Because shift key is equal to 2. So the first letter is D, right? So moving D 2 times will give us 1 or 2. So B, it will give us B. So that's how you get this. When shift key is equal to 2, and you get this when decrypting it. When shift key is equal to 3, we are getting this. Now this is a meaningful text because you can read this all's well that ends well, right? Shift key is equal to 3, so D will move towards the left 3 times, right? So here D, so 1, 2, 3, so I, and likewise it continues for other letters. Now for shift key is equal to 4, letter D is giving us Z. So you can see here letter D is here, right? So 1, 2, 3, so at third we have I, right? So you start from Z as fourth one. So 1, 2, 3, and then fourth one is the Z. Now shift key of 5, then if this is 4, then this is 5. Then it will change, D will be Y, and it goes on for the shift keys, right? So for shift key is equal to 4, D will be Z. So here you can see, right? So shift key is equal to 4 gives us this. Shift key is equal to 5 gives us this. Shift key is equal to 6 gives us this. So the same method is applied, right, in case of shifting. So shift key is equal to 7 is giving us this. Shift key is equal to 8 is giving us this. Shift key is equal to 9 is giving us this. Shift key 10 is giving us this. Shift key of 11 is giving us this. Shift key of 12 is giving us this. So you can see that other shift keys are giving this. So till now the only meaningful text we have found is that shift key is equal to 3, which is all's well that ends well. But we will brute force every possible combination. So you can see here shift key 18 is also giving us this. And then here shift key 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 are giving us these as the decrypted text, which is not meaningful at all, right? So we can conclude that our plain text we have decrypted is all's well that ends well, right? This is our answer to the question, right? All's well that ends well. At the shift key, and the shift key is 3. So using brute force we have decrypted the text, and the answer is, the plain text is all's well that ends well, and the shift key that we found using brute force was 3. So shift key of 3 is used, right? And our plain text is all's well that ends well. Thank you.